welcome to AutoBuzz. Today, we're taking a look at the much-awaited new 2026 Maruti Suzuki Gypsy, an iconic name that continues to attract off-road enthusiasts. The original Gypsy was known for its lightweight construction, simple design, and impressive 4x4 capability. For 2026, the Gypsy is widely discussed as a potential modern revival, with expectations of a tougher exterior, updated styling, improved comfort, and modern technology. However, Maruti Suzuki has not officially announced a new 2026 Gypsy, so these details should be considered expectations rather than confirmed specifications. The biggest attraction would be its rugged design. A boxy body, high ground clearance, strong bumpers, and an upright driving position could give the new Gypsy a distinctive adventure-focused appearance. If Maruti brings back the legendary 4x4 character, the SUV could become an exciting choice for people who enjoy rough roads and outdoor adventures. Inside, buyers would expect a more modern cabin with comfortable seats, a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, improved instrumentation, and essential safety technology. Performance would be another major highlight. Enthusiasts would want a capable petrol engine paired with a proper four-wheel drive system and strong low-speed off-road ability. As for pricing, there is currently no official 2026 Gypsy price announced by Maruti Suzuki. The final cost would depend on the engine, drivetrain, features, and variant lineup. The Gypsy name carries a legendary reputation in India, and a genuinely modern 4x4 revival could create serious excitement among SUV fans. For now, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Gypsy remains a highly anticipated possibility rather than an officially confirmed production model.